Good day, everyone. This is Anand Eswaran, the CEO of Veeam, the world's #1 data resilience company. And today marks a pivotal milestone for Veeam. Together with our primary investor, Insight Partners, we are welcoming new investors through a $2 billion secondary offering led by TPG, valuing Veeam at $15 billion. And today, I'm thrilled to welcome Nehal Raj, co-managing partner of TPG Capital, TPG Tech Adjacencies, and TPG Hybrid Solutions. Nehal, what specifically about Veeam made this investment so attractive to TPG?
Yeah, absolutely. So as I mentioned, we start with finding an attractive market. And once we find an attractive market, we then look to all the companies that we can invest in that market. So we establish this as an attractive market. With respect to Veeam, what we saw was a few things that we always look for. First of all, the company has #1 market share. And so this is the leader in this data protection segment. Second, we did hundreds of customer interviews, and Veeam really stood out as having the highest customer NPS. So this is the solution that customers like the best, and they have several alternatives, but consistently choose Veeam, and that's the reason why it is the #1 player in the market. So great customer feedback, great market feedback. Second, I would say financially, we are financial investors as well. We like seeing a combination of growth and profitability in the companies that we invest in. And you often hear in software investing of Rule of 40 being an aspirational target for many companies. Without sharing too much information on Veeam, this is a company that's Rule of 50 plus in terms of being high growth and strong margins. And we see that rule of metric actually accelerating at Veeam as its products and solutions become more mature. And so that's very exciting for us. We also couple those financial metrics with a simple one, which is just scale. When you're a large-scale business, you have many opportunities for where to go. And Veeam is a very large-scale business in software. It's one of the largest private software companies in the world with over $1.5 billion of ARR or annual recurring revenue. The last thing I'd say about Veeam is, as I mentioned, this is a strategic category. We think AI will make this category even more strategic, and we're very excited about the level of innovation that's happening at the company and the new product pipeline that Veeam is developing against this opportunity set.
Thank you to all of you, our customers, our partners, our colleagues, for being part of this journey with us. Together, we will continue to set the standard for data resilience and lead the digital world into a secure, intelligent, and connected future.